Hello and welcome to YouTube channel Ultra Care Pro. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you some simple, easy yoga practices that will help you to achieve body relaxation. Our lives are getting stressful every single day. But yoga is a practice that allows you to reconnect your mind, reconnect your body to your inner soul. Hence, yoga practice is beyond exercises. And today I am going to show you some simple pranayamas as well as some yogic poses that will give you good body relaxation. So without wasting any due time, let's get started. So the first yogic practice is basically pranayama, breathing practices. And the first breathing practice or pranayama that we are going to do is ANULOM VILOM. For this, you need to use this mudra. Place one thumb over your nostril and other finger over the other nostril. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to block one side of the nostril, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and block the nostril, and now start breathing in and breathing out from other nostril. And we are going to repeat this practice on both sides of the nose. So let's get started. So this was the first pranayam. The second pranayam that gives immense relaxation after a stressful day is BHRAMARI. For this, you are going to place one thumb around the ear and two hands over the eyelids. And now you are going to make sound or sound like a bee. So something like this. Now when you do this, you can feel vibrations throughout the body. And that's a good way of relaxing the body. So let's get started. This was the second pranayam. Now I will show you two poses that also gives body relaxation. Number one pose is child's pose. Whenever you have upper back pain or lower back pain, or if your back seems tired, child pose is a very good way to give relaxation to your entire spine muscles. So let me show you how to do that. You have to sit in the Vajrasana position. You are going to keep your hand on the floor and drag your hand forward and lean forward. Just rest your hand and try to relax your entire body. Stay relaxed. Relax your back muscles. Relax your upper back region. Stay there for 10 minutes. Or as much as you can, and then you come back. So you can do this 2 to 3 times in a day. What it will do is, it will give a good stretch and good relaxation to your lower back muscles. Now the second position that we are going to also practice is in the lying position. For this, you need to lie down and you need to bring your legs towards your body and hold the ankle in your hand. With this position also, what is happening is your entire spine is getting flat and you feel that the pressure and the ache that was there on your back muscles is being relieved because of the help of support. So you'll be there in this position for 1 minute or as much as you can, and then you come back. The last practice that you should practice is Yoga Nidra. For this, you just need to lie down straight, let your body relax completely, and while being in the sleeping position, scan your body from head to toe. With deep awareness, try to relax entire body. First, bring your focus on the forehead region. Try to relax your forehead muscles. Bring your focus on your eyelids. Try to relax your eyelids. Bring your focus around your cheeks. Try to relax your cheeks. Bring your focus around the chest region. Try to relax your chest muscles. Bring your focus on your upper back region. Try to relax your upper back muscles. Bring your focus on the thigh. Relax your thigh muscles. Bring your focus around the hip muscles. Relax them. Bring your muscles to relaxation around the calf region. Relax them. Bring your focus around the toes, your sole of foot, and relax them. Relax them completely. Relax, relax, relax. Be in this position for 1 minute or as long as you want. Gradually move your fingers, move your toes, gradually open your eyes. Take a turn. Sit back, rub your hands, place it over your face, relax your face. And you're good to go. So friends, these were some simple yogic practices that will give entire body relaxation. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to check out Ultra Care Pro's website. The link to the website and all the details are mentioned in the description box below. I'll see you in another video.